Guys,
good job though.
there.
How's he doing? Good job on trying.
True,
Good job
true.
on trying. Good job on trying to hide your secret.
Why are we out of the map?
It's Bannable.
Why are we out of the map?
Where's our shadows? Wait, Shadow's in here?
Your shadow was in here, yeah.
He is.
IDK, you shadow.
Okay, this Shadow. Guys, I'm
You.
Flash,
They are so long.
Guys, I'm flying around. Stop using platforms, Flash. Bro,
Who's under the roll?
Me? Yeah. I saw
Oh,
you
Shadow.
floating in the air.
Oh, never mind.
He's outside of the map.
It's shadow.
Hey, Black.
Okay, report black. What the? I just ate cinnamon bar.
I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna turn it off.
Where
Where did he go? Did he go through the wall again?
I got it, guys.
Black.
It was Schwader.
Black.
Hey, right, turn it off.
Black. Stop shooting.
Okay, I'm so tired.
Black, come here.
Wait, Illustrator.
No, IDK.
Come here.
You can't report me.
Black,
You
come
can't
here.
report me, huh?
You gotta stop shooting.
What's
Hey, Shadow.
Oh,
Your
yeah.
shadow?
I am. You gotta stop shooting.
Wait, your shadow?
Yeah, cheating.
Let's get
Yeah.
I'm
not gonna use
it ever again. 99.
Good.
He just.
Bro, that's
See you platforms again.
Minecraft.
Hey, I need you to. Oh, you're in Minecraft. Why are you in Minecraft? You're supposed to be in Forest.
I need to change something. I need to change my. I accidentally turned on a mod.
Bro, you need to be in
I accidentally
Forest,
turned
not
on a mod. I'm
Minecraft.
fine 'cause I don't know.
I'm trying to find diamonds.
Diamonds? You're trying to find diamonds?
diamonds.
Alright, yeah, no, you can go past your journey.
Dude, which mod? I just missed on my wall.
You can go on about your journey.
Here.
I hope you find diamonds.
Illustrator, which mod?
I hope you find diamonds.
Diamonds and
You find the diamonds?
What?
diamonds.
Zane, right? You're the real Zane?
Yeah,
Yeah. Where's the owner badge? Show the owner badge.
Yeah, show the owner badge.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, show it.
Is he gonna show
Look
the owner badge?
behind you.
Show the owner badge.
You're not a ghost.
Show the owner badge.
Okay.
Show it.
Okay.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Put it.
Is he the actual owner?
Oh crap! Don't
I
even.
think you're impersonating. Now change. You're faking as a mob, which is bannable. So it's either you change or I go to that leaderboard.
What I just saw. What was
Change
that?
your name, yep. Bro,
Dad, I'm a good.
what?
Wait.